Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. PBBM issues, update on expel Congress men na si Arnie Tebes. At ito ay pinapauwi na ng Pilipinas. Announced that expel Congressman Arnie Tebes is now back in the Philippines ayon kay President Bongbong Marcos. Alright, panoorin po natin and other further ado, let's do watch.
The former representative Arnie Tevez is now back in the Philippines. I was first informed of this development by Prime Minister Guzmao during the ASEAN meeting that I just returned from in Kuala Lumpur, that Timor-Leste was ready to send Tevez back to the Philippines. This would not have happened without the assistance of President Horta and Prime Minister Guzmao.
Ayan, titingnan natin ang tibay ni Tebes, no, kung hindi talaga babalik ito ng Pilipinas. Alright? At tabayanan po natin yan.
Of Timor-Leste. They have been working very hard to bring this to a conclusion. As we know, the former Congressman Arnie Tevez is facing charges of murder and other crimes related to the ambush killing of the former.
Kaya nakakaharapin ng mga kaso ni Arnie Tebez. Dating congressman yan, si Arnie Tebez.
Former Governor Digamo. We would like also to assure all our citizens that such lawlessness will not go unpunished. And it is now time for Arnie Tevez to face justice.
Alright, napakinggan at napanood po natin ang ating reaction video ni Rob Trip. Alright, ito ay napakinggan po natin ang ating President Bongbong Marcos. Alright, kailangan bumalik na si Tebez.